For those that want to start on their anti-aging journey, have a proper skin routine and is ready for retinol in your life, you could start with something gentle as retinol first. Here's a review on the Pastel Shop Holo Barrier Repair Gel Cream with 0.2 retinol. It is also affordable dupe of the very famous retinol cream. The Pastel Shop is a local brand with the founder studied in Korea and is a cosmetic chemist. She puts a lot of thought into her product, and there are many tips about skincare in her SNS account. It is a nice box with details in English. The product comes in a plastic bottle that dispenses via the unique mechanism as to keep the product fresh, as we don't need to dip our fingers into it. It is paraben-free, sulfate-free, alcohol-free, allergen-free, silicone-free, not really fungal-acne safe since it has shea butter. It contains ceramide to help with skin healing and keeping moisture. Other ingredients such as Panthenol, shea butter, Allantoin, aloe vera, and Saccharide, Isomerate are very known to provide long-lasting moisture to the skin. It is an opaque, white, lightweight, soft cream that melts to the skin without any residue. There is no added fragrance, so it smells like most scentless products. I find that it's a very gentle retinol moisturizer for everyday use. I use only about a pea size, as it produces enough moisture without adding other heavy cream. It is not irritating, doesn't burn my skin, not flaky, and it makes my skin looks bright. I find that it helps in slightly preventing acne, though I do still need to use other acne products with it. I do avoid using retinol after I use a strong BHA and AHA though. I think this is a very good starting retinol and anti-aging product, and it is really affordable. Check out more of the details in the description box. Like, subscribe, and see you in my other videos.